with a lot of expertise because obi our handle portfolio FA for the region. Say the competition now has folk ebobino. He is once a servant there. Oh, because no yejuma ewo the FA and now yejuma in about 3 capacity. Let me say or you're part of the organization and regulation of domestic football competitions. And he's not coming to a new environment as compared to Bernard Munamo and some other notable names. Now, in Ghana Premier League, hooray! Then so omobe survey positioner Muna air survey. Eugene, you catch and say, onya that mental toughness. Now, ultimately, enye adwuma no. Time away submission, no be say a question. Be say, what are the expectations? Yeah, she share free no. Maybe my first expectation I make her free no. On say, Eugene, I was say ultimately Renhindink camp. Etnase na omo Jojo na both parties. It me arriving at a point at least say. Renick camp call back to FIFA crana Eugene na omo kwa report to FIFA say omo house of folk with good terms into FIFA and cancel case at omo legal department or into that's the first expectation I'm referring no say when Hendrik Sikano he should be able to sit at a table. No one discussing the means of payment, the way forward of payment structure. Ebe talk Renehende campusum, na ebe sa talk House of Folk campusum. So that both parties will have to move on. So that has a bit me stay free. Now what me buy players. Now what me they can't set up you because you be kind constantly on every day say. Masawu Didi Dramani is not doing bad. Looking at the conditions at hand, any choir or the team no air flying or Eugene.
House of air flying?
Yes, House of Folk is flying.
Oh, okay.
House of Folk is within the top 4. Opa compare more points this season as compared to previous season. Eugene, House of Folk is the club with the strongest defensive shape. We consider the least number of goals. Goals no muntimi share. But say them can the conditions at House of Folk Eugene. Say all the conditions no compare other clubs conditions are. A whole and above say indeed Didi Dramani is doing very well. Inti yes Imuna say he should have a good conversation between the camp of Renhendink. Say the bear, so I'm go back to FIFA. Na I'm go cancel case no FIFA. Name enko go yes Renhendink camp go FIFA. I'm a FIFA asa increase the punishment out this man has of folk. So that is the first expectation. Me Rafael Kofi Attakora me te Opemsuo radio. Me share free imuna ho. Eugene, where there's where the car here, do money now.
Also, you're there.
Why you do money now? Both Chama Sulu and Nana Pencrack was here one. Me, very lucky for me yesterday, being had the opportunity and Nami hobby. My thanks from the position of management. Boys, no. If they lose this game, especially on the match day, say omo attitude on the field of play, Eugene. And yeah, attitude that spike of confidence, beba, in their game against Hasa. Things are going to happen. Consequences.
Say one unique game we against Diana. Has Diano. Nyame amfafia be boy empty stadium. Nyame amfafia has Diano.
Playing body no. Eugene.
Then 11 wonders in so a training versus soccer academy at your move as your move 4.
Coach keep an increase. Keep an issue.
To the twice, mammy.
There's a FA Cup fixtures now na chance here no. Again. So the American say playing body no. And Eugene. So some of the players after Nana Kasana, most of them actually submissiveness. Obi to say Albert Amwa, Obi to say Baba Yaya, Obi to say Samba Indongani, Henry Kwame Nsu. Ye ko for bass no hwe omanimu a na omoye
ofro bass ni bi
ai say asu
se ore Kotoko fo ne nam
o anya me ne omo na me ba dia say be pake wa ha nti be case ka na ho ato no
yo yenkoe
Eugene, and I like the position of those players. Now they can say on Sunday omo put up an attitude that Eugene put too much confidence our supporters in him. In a game of football, whether you like it or yes, it can go either way. Going either way, you know, Eugene. What you mean game be? Oh, now supporters now feel say you lost the game out of hard luck. Also no. But so what it you know, and to me, match the opponent when you lose, you attribute it to hard luck. Enti me dey mean say football can go either side. Nemo omum put up an attitude that Eugene, everyone supporters they feel say yes, we have the boys that are willing to die for the porcupine symbol. Egwaye like a desica on say nana kan say more pitch ne so a na who say unia etimi aye mistake. Don't wait for instructions from the technical team. Serve as your brother's keeper. Serve as your brother's keeper. Where the nana person actually say, a attitude on the field of play is not much encouraging because say obi a winger, Eugene. Na I was say or join the attack. Na also support to defenders. Na on bar. What the lateral defender no Eugene. But semi-lateral defender na Zuba a lateral winger. Zuba is supposed to track back and assist me when he defend. Say Zuba ma na me ko catch Zuba say Zuba wada ma I track back na be boa me na Zuba bifu a. When ye no. Anya the brand Kotoko na wo ye.
Team na mudina bro.
Intimidate results can go either way. Omo attitude no mo sesa attitude no mo put you up against out of lions no na enye na enkyere say ye peka ate say out of lions game no say ke da so bo ebesi ne a ebi aka 10-0 and 10-1 because out of lions put up that energy, that sense of winning spirit. So na minim say no mo so omo last 10 games enkoye ni team na omo person omo de Kotoko e revive omo self they are fine and the emotion was at Kotoko no mo so aduana and for revive myself out of the defeat amunyaye e wo pandu enti nana piao okay. nana me pacho me di si no enra ye boshe no nana sa ti so se me mompa ye se aduana be hye me nsa be kama yi no
okay nti eno aye Rafael Kofi Attakora me nze we na be kan kama o kan wi